Welcome to the dollhouse. Today we have a rack of ribs for dinner. Put some adobo. Get that in there. Then we're gonna put some sazon. Get that in there. Look at that. This is a nice rack of ribs. And we're gonna put a little bit of some Old just a little bit. Just a little bit. Season it the way you want to season it. I do it all by eye. Then we got some Sunshine by Tabitha Brown. Put some of that on it. Like I said, guys, just put as much as you want. I don't go by spoons and stuff like that. Then we have the Magic Seasoning Blend, Black and Red Fish Magic. Guys, this is awesome. I use it on a lot of stuff. You want just a little bit. This takes the part of salt. I'm gonna put salt on my stuff. I use that. Then we got some parsley. Just a little bit of everything. We got some basil. Season this real good. Italian seasoning. We got some garlic. Yes, I put a little bit of garlic on my ribs. And then we got some onion powder. And then I put a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit. And there you have it. I will do the same thing on the back. There goes the rack. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you are a supporter, thank you. Thank you for coming back. If you are not, make sure you press the subscribe button down in the bottom. Leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you very much. We have a great dinner today. We have white rice, beans, some olives, some corn, and we got some ribs. Oh, these ribs are awesome. Awesome. They are good. So we're going to get right into this, guys. Thank you so much for coming back. We got our Sunkist Zero Sugar. And here we go. I am hungry. It is 5 o'clock, and I haven't ate. So we are going to grub today. These ribs are great, guys. They are so good. Okay, so we got the rice. I love me some olives, but hubby does not like olives, so I cannot put them in my beans. So I can't do that. But we're going to put these beans. Look at that. Everything's nice and hot. Put these beans over the rice. Yes. And I eat my olives with my rice. That is good, good, good. Nice. Yes. That is good, guys. Smells good. It's gonna taste good. We are doing good. So I had a few questions that people were asking me, and I am going to answer today. So today is Family Day. That is the topic today. People have been asking about the family, who's who, what's what I have, as it comes to kids and stuff like that. So I'm going to eat the corn right out of there. I love me some olives. I'm going to eat it with the rice, but I love olives. We got the hot sauce, of course. Nice and clean, like I said. Always clean. Yes. How is everybody doing today? I hope y'all all having a great day. And we're going to get right into this because I am hungry. Yes. I appreciate you guys coming back. Good. I appreciate anybody that hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. And we are starting a new journey here, and we're going to do a lot of things. I do a lot of home cooking because I like to eat at home instead of eating out. Look at that. Look at that rib, guys. Look at that. Look at how juicy that looks. Look at. You want some? You guys want some? Look at that. Look at that. Juicy. Nice and saucy. But I really like it real saucy. So we're going to put some more barbecue sauce on this. Yes, I have the barbecue sauce. Yes, we're going to put a little more. Just because that's the way I like it. But look at those ribs. And wait till you see they fall off the bone. Fall off the bone ribs. I put them in the oven at 370 for 2 hours. Then I took them out, put some barbecue sauce on them, put them back in the oven for 10 minutes, took all the juice out, took everything out of it for 10 minutes, and put it back in so the sauce can actually get into it. And then I took them back out the oven, put a little more barbecue sauce on it so it could get nice and, into the ribs. Cut them up so like that it could get into the size of the ribs, and put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. Still at 370. And then I lowered it down to 340 for 10 minutes. And that was it. I took them out. And now we are having these tasty ribs. Look at that. Yes, we are going to have these. Here we go. How good are these ribs? Right off the bone, guys. Look at that. No struggle. They come right off the bone. You gotta make sure you cook them for a good time. It wants to come off right off the bone. That is good. Very good. So, topic. Everybody's asking how many kids I have. Am I married? Now, I do have another channel that I do scratch-offs in Pennsylvania. That is lottery for people that don't know. That is the lottery. And a lot of people from there came over here, so they know most of what I do, what's my job and stuff like that, because they know me from there. I've done that for a few years. So for the people that don't know, the person that asked me, well, two people asked the question. This is for you to know. Yes, I am married. $18 years. And still running. And loving it. And me and my husband have a daughter. She is the baby. She is 14 years old. She's in high school in 10th grade. And that's the baby of the house. And when I say she's the baby of the house, she's the baby of the house. Then, I have 2 daughters. I have my 2 older daughters from my previous marriage. My oldest one is 27. I have to think about it. And my middle one is 21. 22. This is good. Now my big one, she has 2 kids, a boy and a girl, 7 and 6, 8 and 7. And then my middle one, she doesn't have kids yet. She is in college. She said she doesn't want no kids, which is the plus for me. I'm grandma already. And then I have a stepson that my husband had from his previous marriage. And he's also 22. So, we have a family of 6. We have 3 girls, 2 boys. Excuse me. 3 girls, 1 boy, and hubby and me. Uh-oh, he's trying to get away. So there you have it in a nutshell. That is my family. I have extra napkins for just in case. And that is the family of 6. That is us. My husband just retired, but I still work. We work in the same place, and that is where I met my husband. And we are both, he was, because he doesn't work there no more. He's retired. I work in a state prison. I am a correctional officer. That is what I do. Oh my. Guys, look at that. Not overcooked, not undercooked. It's like perfect. Coming right off the bone. So, I've been there for 19 years. And that is what I do. So that is my family. We live in Pennsylvania. That's where I am coming from. I am 100% Puerto Rican. From the South Bronx in New York. Oh, sorry. From the South Bronx in New York. And I've made it a long way. I've made it a long way from, New York. So good. I wanted to do something with myself. Coming from the ghetto, I wanted to do something for myself. I only had my first daughter, my oldest, and it was like, yeah, I want to do something, you know, to show her that a woman could do too. Moved to Pennsylvania, and voila. Here we are. Loving it. Loving life. Loving it all. But I wanted to bring this to you guys. My cooking, because I cook. There's going to be a lot of different things that I'm going to cook. And I hope you enjoy. But that is my family. And hopefully one of these things I got somebody on here with me. Have a guest. I know my oldest daughter, she'll do it with me. Her name is Ruby. And I know she'll do it with me. Now, the little one, she already said no. That is so good. My husband already said no, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try again with him. And the middle one, she's camera shy. And she's in school, so she's not here. But we'll see. We'll see who I could get on here to come do a show with their mama. Which one of the girls I'll get. If there's anything that you would like me to try, guys, put it down in the comments. And I will try. I will try to make it. Or I will try, you know, your favorite food or whatever, you know, whatever you like. No, I don't clean the bones. But I do eat my food. But this was good. I forgot my water. I will drink it after this. I like to drink water. So I will make sure I drink it after this. I'll put a piece of meat in there. Very good dinner. Very good. If you guys have a favorite food you want me to try out, let me know. We'll make a video of everybody's favorite food. We're gonna go with let's go with pizza. How do you like your pizza? And I'll get a few different pizzas. And I will taste it. I am full. Oh, that was so good. So, so good. I didn't spill it all over myself. That was good. I will save this as leftovers. I want to say thank you very much for everyone that came by and everyone that is a supporter and everyone that's going to be a supporter. I really appreciate you. Walk with me through this journey. We are going to do new things, different things. We're going to do it all. If you have a favorite pizza, put it down in the bottom. I will be doing different pieces of what everybody likes. And we'll check it out and I'll see what I like. My favorite pizza is just a slice with extra cheese. That's what I like. Put it down in the comments what you like and I'll make that into a video. Thank you guys. I really appreciate you. Till next time. Bye.